Sandeep, you've been bullish on the market. I remember we had a conversation where you explicitly mentioned that, look, I've made my cash levels zero, and we've seen a comeback in the market. But in the near term, is this as good as it gets? Because we are not in a runaway bull market. I mean, the market's oversold, they've come back. Have things normalized now? Is it time now to start taking some chips off the table?
Not really. So I would agree with you that it's not going to be a runaway bull market, and it should not be because I think it creates excesses in the markets, and then the corrections tend to be very rapid. I personally don't like very aggressive market moves. I think the initial moves are always led by short covering, and which is something which we have seen. We have seen a comeback by financials, which was expected. So I think IT is one big part of the index, which could still be a drag and not participate so much given uncertainty around the US economy. So, but I think there'll be pockets of outperformance in the recent days. We've seen increased impetus by the government also in pushing some projects like now on the railway side also there's talk of more investment on the defense side. Big projects are getting cleared. Some companies have started reporting new wins in infrastructure, road projects, pump storage, and all the focus areas of the government. So I think things are not as bad. And next year, I strongly believe there'll be a comeback in consumer demand driven by the lower taxation, lower inflation, as well as the fact that the base itself is lower. So there's no need to be excessively pessimistic in this market. And the big trade of a shift of money to the US and US assets becoming a huge proportion of global asset values, that will also reverse because we've seen what's happened to the US dollar index. Typically, the flows follow after the event has happened, not they don't create the event. So we'll see a comeback by foreign investors into emerging markets also. Now, the 2nd April uh, issue still remains where we need to see what tariffs get imposed on what industries or what companies out of India. That's something we still need to watch out for, and that could impact specific companies negatively. But overall, I think things are fine.